Dear students, welcome once again to your university class. Before we go to discuss question answers of the chapter Our Forest Wealth, I am giving you some words to write down 5 times each in your notebooks. Shelter, appetite, community, traditions, customs, organization, prohibited, pioneer, orchards, embrace. इस वर्ड्स को 5 टाइम्स तुम अपने कॉपी में लिखोगे. नाउ ओपन योर बुक पेज नंबर 30. A. Tick the correct answer. 1. A tribal communities include option A. Bisnois, B. Santhals, C. Gonds, D. All of these. Answer is all of these. 2. Adivasis are the people who A. Practice their own customs, B. Are primitive, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Answer is C. Both A and B. Number 3. Lakhs of saplings are planted on A. Earth Day, B. Van Mahotsav, C. World Environment Day, D. World Forest Day. Answer is B. Van Mahotsav. 4. Periyar in Kerala is an example of A. Biosphere Reserve, B. National Park, C. Wildlife Sanctuary, D. All of these. Answer is C. Wildlife Sanctuary. 5. World Environment Day is celebrated on A. 22nd April, B. 5th June, C. 10th July, D. 25th December. Answer is 5th June. Then B. State true or false. If you cut one tree, plant at least one tree. ये होगा wrong, false. 2. Nokrek is a biosphere reserve. True. 3. Government grows orchards on forest lands. False. Number 4. Deforestation increases soil erosion. True. Number 5. Early man lived in cities. False. Then C. Give below are incorrect statements. Correct each one of them and write in your notebook. Incorrect statements को correct करके लिखोगे. 1. A forest is a small area of land covered with small plants. Answer होगा A forest is a large area of land covered with trees. Number 2. Food gatherers hunted animals and ate their food after cooking. Answer होगा Food gatherers hunted animals and ate raw flesh. Number 3. Sundarlal Bahuguna was the main person behind the Narmada Bachao movement. Answer होगा Sundarlal Bahuguna was the main person behind the Chipko movement. Then D. Answer the following questions. What is a forest? Why is it covered under natural vegetation? Answer. A forest is a large area of land covered with trees. Many small plants like grasses, shrubs, wildflowers are also found here. Plants in a forest grow naturally. Therefore, it is covered under natural vegetation. Then number 2. Give some uses of forest. Answer. Forests are an important natural resource. Some uses of the forest are as follows. Number 1. They give us a range of useful products from timber to medicines. Number 2. They provide shelter to many kinds of birds, insects and wild animals. 3. They prevent soil erosion as the roots of trees bind the soil. Then 4. They purify air by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen in air. Then 5. They regulate rainfall. The rainfall increases as they keep the air cool by releasing water vapor in air. 6. They control floods. 7. They also regulate the climate by preventing excessive heat or cold. Then question number 3. List some ways of conserving forests. Answer. Some of the ways of conserving a forest are as follows. नंबर 1 होगा कंजर्वेशन बाय ट्राइबल्स. Tribals have a unique way of saving plants and animals of that area through sacred groves. A sacred grove is a vegetation area with a variety of plants. It is dedicated to a local deity or god regularly worshipped in that area. Then B. Conservation by the people. The Chipko movement is the finest example highlighting the efforts of people to save forest. Chipko means embrace. When the timber contractors came to cut the trees, women put their arms around the trees and refused to move. Many trees and forests were thus saved. Then C. Conservation by private companies. Many private companies have also come forward to conserve forest. They buy forest lands from the government. Different kinds of trees are grown on that land, such as fruit trees, coconut, rubber, and sandalwood. Such forests are called orchards. D. Conservation by the government. In order to protect and preserve the wide variety of plants and animals, the government has set up numerous wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, and biosphere reserves. The government celebrates many important days, such as the Earth Day, World Environment Day, and Van Mahotsav. Lakhs of saplings are planted by the school children and other people all over India. Then question number 4. Who are tribal people? Tribals are those people who live together as a community in forests. Each tribal community has its own culture and tradition that are different from the other communities, even though both the communities may live in the same forest. Orans, Santhals, Gonds, Mundas, and Bisnois are the tribal communities living in Bihar. Then question number 5. What is meant by deforestation? Answer. The large-scale cutting down of trees due to various activities of man, like clearing land for agriculture, building houses, collection of fuel, wood, and timber, is known as deforestation. It results in landslides, floods, drought, soil erosion, and increasing temperature. So students, आज तुम्हारा चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो चुका. ये सब तुम घर में अपने अपने कॉपी में लिखोगे और याद करोगे. थैंक यू.